down?
I don't know.
I think it might be laying down.
We got cows! Woohoo! Moo!
He's coming at us.
He's coming straight at us. Hello, little kitty cows. Look at all the cows. Hello, cows. Look at the little cows.
Slow.
Moo.
Just go slow.
Moo. Don't smell that cow.
Ooh.
Hey, cows. Hello, can I pet you?
No.
No petting?
This is not a petting zoo.
It's not a petting zoo? Look at them. Hi, little cow. Hi.
Let's go slow, Faith. Watch the cows.
Oh, look at the babies.
Watch the cow.
Yo, dude, out of the road.
Just move out of the way. Go around them.
Go around them?
Trust
okay.
me, there's not going to cars. They're not going to come the other direction.
Look at them. They're like all in the road.
Just.
Okay.
Ooh.
What's this guy doing? He's doing the splits. There are tons of cows in the road. Get your baby out of the road, dude. Little cow.
Slow. Wait for them. They'll move. But you gotta go.
Moo. I think I should roll up my window. I don't know. Hello. 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 Oh, they're starting to smell.
That's what they do.
This is so cool. Okay, you guys. You really got it. Oh, God, there's... Yeah. Hi, babies. We got us a cattle drive.
Okay, you're gonna have to move over slightly towards your side of the road because there are your side of the road.
Oh.
There are cars on the other side. So
Hey, you guys.
Just slowly. Slowly.
Come on, cows.
They're gonna go through.
This guy's like, I'm not moving.
Oh,
I'm not moving.
they'll wait. Eventually, they'll move. Oh, these have been branded just recently. The little ones.
Oh, the babies. Yeah, they just were born. Oh, we got people on horses, too.
Oh, they're driving them.
Oh.
So you just go very slow and get in trouble for hurting an animal.
I don't want to hurt an animal.
I know, I'm just saying you gotta be.
I love cows. Oh, look at, he's got horns.
Yeah.
Can you hold the...
Yeah. Are you done? Are you done?
Did you turn it off?
Yeah, I believe so. When it says pause, when it's red, it's recording.
Oh, look at the dogs.